agreement that was never decided upon, never concluded. Would that have made a difference, or do you feel like troops needed to be there longer to secure a little bit more stability on the ground, or was it never going to take hold?
No, the status of forces agreement would have made sure that we had troops there and enough to do something. I think the military generals at that time asked for about 20,000 troops to remain on the ground. President Obama offered them a few thousand, just like in Afghanistan. Right now, General Dunford, who's is running Afghanistan, has asked for about 10,000 troops. If he doesn't get 10,000 troops, there's no point in staying in Afghanistan either. So it's the same kind of thing. And what you see from this administration is repeat mistakes, which are the very worst kind. And that's the big problem here. Afghanistan is more complicated because you have a pretty nutty president in President Karzai, but Iraq didn't have that problem. Obama could have focused on Iraq and made sure that all the sacrifices that we fought for and everything that we did and all of those yellow ribbons that people put on their doors and all those stickers on their cars meant something. And right now, they mean nothing because we've now lost what we fought so hard for.